I think this is just going to be a train wreck. I don't know if I want to move that. Should I move that? You know, I think it's nice that you guys can see something that I'm working on. I don't know. Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about cosplay. I teach you tutorials on how to make the outfit, how to do the makeup so you can become the character of your dreams. Just not today. Today I'm actually showing you one of my brand new shopping hauls because we have unlocked quarantine phase 2 in Denmark. And so I just think this would be something really interesting to share with you guys because it's been a while, and as you know, my wedding shoes from Jimmy Choo aren't the only things that I own from Jimmy Choo anymore. And that's where we went! To Jimmy Choo. We went downtown to actually find a dummy battery for the camera so I can record forever. Didn't seem to work that way. But that's okay, that's why we have Amazon. So instead, Chris actually treated me to a very nice present. I mean, this is a very nice present. I love it. And this is a present that is half birthday and half congratulations for getting back into college! Yay! More on that later, but first, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. If you're new to my channel, make sure to click that red button down below to subscribe to never miss out on any of my future content. Alright, so we have a Jimmy Choo nice paper bag with this lettering that says Jimmy Choo and the nice gross grain ribbon handles. I could totally just turn this into like an ASMR, and then you can totally just see the very nice paper. I like keeping papers because if I need to stuff something, I got paper. Now we are going to take out, oh, those are my socks. So this is my box. Do you think they are another pair of shoes, or do you think it is actually something else? Go ahead and leave your comment down below and take your guess. And if you are right, you will get a shout out in my next video. Alrighty, so as you can see, it's still the Jimmy Choo style with the nice coloring. This nice, I think this is recycled cardboard. It feels amazing to the touch. The gross grain ribbon with Jimmy Choo on it and a nice little bow. Not anymore! So we're gonna go ahead and take that off and open it. So I know what I got in the store. You guys will get to see. It's just nice because I'm getting a brand new box. And it's open. So, first things first, let's go ahead and see what this says. Oh, this is my receipt. So we're gonna keep the receipt. You never want to lose your receipts at places like this. Kind of expensive. Alright, so the moment that you've been waiting for is actually a bag! So this is my brand new hobo bag. Wow. It is so nice. This is part of the new collection at Jimmy Choo. It is a purse, one of their signature styles. It has their little metal tassel. Oh, that feels so nice. It's pink, black, white, and a brown snake print. Now this is a water snake and it feels so nice to the touch. And look at the little chain. This is going to be replacing one of my everyday bags. I love this bag. I think it's very CelesteOrchid. Like, can you just see how wonderful this is? This bag, when I saw it in the window, I was like, oh. But then there was another color that was not in this style, which kind of like defeated the purpose. So we decided not to get the other purse, but I love this purse. So let's go ahead and start opening it up, shall we? I have a pair of scissors. Now, I don't buy too many things that are name brand luxury. And look at the shininess of this cute little chain. So it's just like asymmetrical, and I think you could actually, like, if you wanted, you could take out the links and make it shorter. I love the fact that you can actually just clip on like a chain if you want here to here if you want to extend it. Let's go ahead and open it. So inside, this is the dimensions here. It's the standard size. It's not really letter based. It's just like a pocket based. So think of it almost open pouch. And I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and remove some of the stuffing. Oops. What does this say? Metallic leathers. Oh, this is telling you how to take care of it. So I should probably keep this inside so I don't forget how to take care of my new purse. So hold on, let's go ahead and remove this little metal tassel piece. Yes. I know I usually try to keep the metal tassel piece like clean as possible, but I love this bag. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue opening more and more of it. So the inside is this really nice leather. It has the inside saying Jimmy Choo, made from Italy. You can see the bag. It's nice and soft leather. There's 2 cards in here. Let me see what they are. Oh, okay. So this card says it is the proof of authenticity. So I need to keep this inside as well. So I will keep both these cards, and I think I'm not going to return this. So I'm just going to keep it. So I'm just going to keep it inside the bag so I will never lose them. And then also, this is the name of it. So it's the Cali Mini Hobo. Okay, we're just going to put this in here. And I love this bag. And this is my congratulations for getting into college again and send me a happy birthday present. So I'm like really excited to be using this. I know it's kind of like early for my birthday present, but you know what? I love this. And it makes me extremely happy to be using it. One of the reasons that we had a hard time choosing of what purse at the store was actually because we wanted to figure out which one would carry a switch. And this was one of the ones that I really loved. The design and the pattern. It's luxurious. Like, it's not so hype beast heavy saying like Jimmy Choo. Like, this is a Jimmy Choo staple, and it's very different because you don't have like the little C hoop loop. One of the other purses that I really wanted, they didn't have in stock, so unfortunately. So we know that this purse is very lovely, and one of the biggest conversation pieces that we had at the store was, will it fit a Nintendo Switch? We have the Switch Lite right here, so let's go ahead and test it by putting it in. I have my bag with the zipper on the left. I'm going to slide it in first. And then, oh, look at that. There's plenty of room and space inside. I can still fit my phone and a cable, lipstick, my wallet, and my house keys. And this is like the perfect size purse. I am not sponsored, by the way, in this video, but if you ever do want to sponsor me, Jimmy Choo, hit me up. All right, so it does fit a Switch Lite. Let's see how easy it is to take it out. La 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 la. So Switch Lite is actually really easy to take out of this purse. Alrighty, so now that we know that the Switch Lite works really well with this purse, how about we try the regular Switch? So what we're going to do is go ahead and show you once again that the zipper is on the left side. I'm going to slowly input. I'm going to go ahead and slide it in into here. And oh, look at that. With ease at all. And it still has space for some makeup pieces, my phone, and my keys, and my wallet. This is the perfect size purse. And it's so fashionable and utilitarian. Like, I feel like this is a great travel bag. You know what? I have the craziest idea. I hope you guys are ready for this one. Let's see if it can fit both switches. Just so we have a great demonstration on how amazing this size is. The zipper is on the left side. You can see the little tassel right there. I'm going to go ahead and slide switch number 1 in. Now the switch is in. Now I'm going to take switch number 2, and I'm going to go ahead and slide it. And look at that. There is still space. I honestly don't want to put too much space at the top, so it's easy accessible, and it zippers beautifully with this gold zipper. I am so in love. Here is the bonus round. Who's excited for a bonus round? If you guys haven't heard about this ancient relic, it's called the DS. So this is the 3DS with my little chimes at the bottom, my good luck charm, and my bunny. So let's see, will it fit inside with the other 2 switches? So I'm going to go ahead and open, show you the 2 switches are in here. Will it fit the 3rd prop? This is getting kind of heavy. Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. It fits all 3 Nintendo items. Look at that. I can't be happier with that. What else can it fit? Let's see. Will it fit a notebook? So I'm going to take out all of my Nintendo properties that I'm not sponsored with. But you know, if you do want to sponsor me, Nintendo, you know where to hit me up. Alright, so now we're going to try this little notebook and see if it fits inside here. Obviously, I know smaller notebooks will fit, but I figured a new standard sized, if this is an 8x11, but you know, a nice notebook. What are you stuck on? It does fit! So you can use an agenda in here. Oh my god. Look at that. It fits so good. I love that. Oh my god, the smell. It smells so good. Obviously, any other smaller item is going to fit inside my little purse here from Jimmy Choo. I highly recommend checking out their purses. I'm not sponsored, but I love my new purse from Jimmy Choo. And if you ever had any idea of what kind of fancy bag that you should get, I mean, obviously this is just my personal opinion, but maybe you should get a Jimmy Choo bag because they fit all three Nintendo things while still retaining fashion and quality. So yeah, there's that. I am not sponsored. I just wanted to show you what I got after quarantine is over. Like, it's not completely over here in Denmark, unfortunately. And I hope you guys are being positive and staying positive. I am kind of behind on a video. That's why I'm putting this video out. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This video is not a cosplay. I hope you had fun at least watching it. And, you know, for all those who are interested in getting into brand shopping, brand can be what it is. That's why you shop around and find what you want. You don't have to love a pattern because there's always going to be new patterns. Someone's always going to know that you spent money on something. But this one, like, this says Jimmy Choo at the bottom. It's not overstated. They let the pattern speak. This is art to me, and I love it. This is wearable art, and that's what usually fashion is. It's art, and it's wearable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this random unboxing video. I'm sorry it's not a cosplay. I am working my butt off on this brand new cosplay. If you haven't checked it out on my Instagram, I've been posting to that, and I hope you guys are having so much fun. I am still on Twitch playing video games, so whenever I need a break from sewing, I'll be playing Twitch, and I go live stream there. So if you want to hang with me there, that's cool. I have a Discord. If you're interested in that, leave a comment, and I will totally hit you guys back with that. Remember to check out some of my videos up here or here, subscribe, and remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!